presenting the Smartivity Microscope Construction Activity Toy for STEM learning. This is an educational do-it-yourself activity toy for boys and girls between the age group of 8 to 14 years. The assembled product dimensions are 14.1 by 8.1 by 24 cm and it weighs 258 grams. This product consists of 116 pieces. This Smartivity Microscope toy comes with elastic bands joinery and does not require any glue or tools, making it mess-free and easy to disassemble and reassemble. It comes with an age-apt instruction book that contains one step per page with big pictures, making it easy for kids to construct with minimal adult involvement. It takes approximately 120 minutes to assemble this microscope toy. Smartivity Microscope DIY toy comes with real moving parts and mechanical actions that improves your child's hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and inspires creativity in them, while keeping them entertained for hours. This STEM educational construction activity toy introduces your child to concepts of lenses and refraction, magnification and momentum transfer during both assembly and playtime. This product is made of imported premium pine wood, making it eco-friendly, sustainable and sturdy. It comes with no splinters, making it safe for children. It is tested in global labs and it exceeds global toy safety standards. The educational toy comes with 116 parts and an instruction manual. 10 days return replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.